Hapakan ni windmill kadang terikam. Te boleh manding pat siang mani.
Kan tibi na meh mga. Mia ke meh wasna.
Be, kabiang ta.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am kathong man long kita kinong shed hagi hotel and hagi restaurant ibapau. Hamokam hilapan pun orlong e kathong kajongpi. Ke admission club play bani ai ki course ki baper kadon ka degree course ka diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Kaminghalia Board of School Education hak arpa artri ujemang asak penriu kalapin benaya ke result jangka secondary school living certificate na kebenta ki Khynnah ki bayakun ya ka supplementary. Katkum ngajingkhen bala ai the director ke Embos Shillong uba M Marbanyang na kebenta sansnem bala penmi ya ke result. House nem arata puar ki Khynnah Skul ki bayakun ya ke examen Sslc kilong san punyau hajar lai spa nya puingut bat ki bapas kilong lai puar hajar ndru spa nya pu prangut. Bat kapas percentage kalong san pun riu 0.9%. House nam aza apulai ki Khynnah ki bayakun ya ke examen kilong san puwe hajar arspa prapungut bat ki bapas kilong arpun riu hajar ndru spa arpkandai bat kapas percentage kalong san puwe 0.9%. House nam aza apusau ki bayakun ya ke examen kilong san pusau hajar shispa lai pusangut bat ki bapas kilong lai po hajar arspa prangut bat kapas percentage kalong san pusan 0.0%. House nam aza apusan ki Khynnah ki bayakun ya ke examen kilong rupulai hajar ruspa prapu arngut bat ki bapas kilong rupuwe hajar shispa san puwengut bat kapas percentage kalong kendai pun riu 0.08%. Bat house nam aza pun riu ki bayakun ya ke examen kilong sapu pra hajar ruspa arpulai ngut bat ki bapas kilong sapunyau hajar arspa kendai puwengut. Hadian balapin mena ya ke supplementary result jangka SSLC bat kapas percentage kalong kendai punyau 0.6%.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.